For the best price, click the link in the description. I'm about to share a shocking truth about the Creative Pebble Pro that'll make you wonder if it's worth your hard-earned cash. But here's what surprised me. The product's marketing might be more deceiving than you think. As an avid music producer and sound engineer, I was excited to try out this portable digital audio workstation DAW. The promise of capturing high-quality sounds anywhere, anytime seemed too good to be true. Therefore, I dove headfirst into exploring its features and capabilities. But little did I know that what I found would raise more questions than answers. Let's start with the Creative Pebble Pro's claim to fame, its compact design and 16 GB of onboard storage. Sounds impressive, right? But here's a twist. Have you ever tried editing audio on a device this small? It's like trying to mix a complex cocktail in a thimble. The touchscreen interface, while intuitive at first, quickly becomes frustrating due to the tiny display size. But therefore, let me ask you, are 16 GB of storage really enough for your needs? I mean, think about it. With today's high-quality audio files, you're looking at around 1 to 2 GB per track. Therefore, that leaves you with a whopping 14 GB of free space, or so they claim. What I discovered next was even more alarming. The Creative Pebble Pro relies heavily on cloud syncing. Sounds convenient, right? But what happens when your internet connection is spotty or non-existent? Do you really want to risk losing all your work in progress due to a dropped connection? But let's get back to the touchscreen interface. It's where things start to get really interesting. Or should I say, really frustrating. The touchscreen sensitivity leaves much to be desired, often requiring multiple taps just to select a single option. And don't even get me started on the lack of tactile feedback. It's like trying to navigate a phone with greasy fingers. Now you might be thinking, but isn't this thing portable? Can't I use it anywhere? Ah, yes, that's where things get really convenient, for creatives' bottom line, that is. The Pebble Pro's battery life, a whopping 4 hours of continuous use. Therefore, if you're planning on using it for more than a few hours straight, be prepared to constantly recharge. But here's the thing. There are better alternatives out there that offer similar features and even more at an affordable price point. The Korg Electribe, for example, boasts 16 GB of storage and a built-in effects processor, all while maintaining a battery life of up to 10 hours. So what does this mean for you? Well, if you're in the market for a portable DAW, there are better options available that don't compromise on performance or features. Therefore, it's time to think twice before buying into the Creative Pebble Pro hype. But let me ask you, do you really want to risk losing your work due to cloud syncing issues or battery drain? Think about all the hours you'll waste trying to troubleshoot these problems. Therefore, I urge you, take a step back and reassess your options. Your wallet and your sanity will thank you. In conclusion, while the Creative Pebble Pro might seem like an attractive option at first glance, the devil's in the details. With its poor battery life, touchscreen interface frustrations, and reliance on cloud syncing, it falls short of expectations. Therefore, I strongly advise against buying this product. Unless, of course, you enjoy wasting your money. For the best price, click the link in the description to find a more reliable alternative that won't leave you scratching your head. Trust me, you won't regret it.